Literally in any rushy situation, this is the perfect wig. Talk about slip on and look ready right away. Oh yes.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary hair once again, same packaging as before. So let's go ahead and jump into what we got. So as usual, you know, the packaging is very clean, very professional. Absolutely love it. So definitely seeing the wig and got a bunch of goodies. So let's get into it. So I got this little drawstring with goodies. I got a pair of HE wig caps, some lashes. I got a information card or booklet, some lace tapes, also some pins, a elastic headband and a brush and comb, and also a white tooth comb, a bonnet and a robe. It's a lot. Love it. And that's everything in the package. So now let's get into the wig. This is Ashimary's gorgeous pre-style body wave short bob wig. This is 14 inches long and everything comes done for you, like absolutely everything. It has a drawstring in the back. It's pre-styled, it's pre-cut, pre-bleached. You understand? Like the drawstring in the back is like my favorite. Like I love when the wigs have drawstrings because this takes the security to a whole new level. It's perfect for my beginners. This literally won't slip anywhere at all. Okay, all right, it has 3 combs on the inside and that's the construction of the entire wig. It's nicely done. The combs on the side are removable, as I'm showing you guys right here, so that is lovely for all my girls who don't really love combs in their wig caps like that. I love that they make that part removable, so that's really easy. Also, there's this adjustable band which is branded Ashimary, and you could just make that as loose or tight as you please. And literally there's nothing for you to do to this wig than what you see me doing here. I just added a little bit of powder on the lace there for the very first time, just to make sure that it really camouflage to my skin tone, because it was a little bit casty, so I had to do that.
Literally in any rushy situation, this is the perfect wig because like talk about slip on and look ready right away. What? This is too good. Like lace looks melted, it's pre-styled. Oh yes, that's what we need. All I have to do is just adjust the drawstring in the back. Just pull that and use a smaller knob to lock it in. Tuck away the excess string beneath the cap and you're good to go. Look at that, look at that. Super secure. If you want more fluff, you just run your hands through it and you're good to go. If this isn't 10 out of 10 convenience, I don't know what is, because look at that. Completely glueless. No product, no experience needed. Just slip on and vibes. Nah, those curls are so... These curls are so pretty to like... What? Look at that. Gorgeous. Ashimary always brings quality though. Like this is quality. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Just to give it a shake. Oh yes. No need to even go in and recurl this at all. Like everything is already done for you. The texture of the hair is definitely on the coarser side. The hair is definitely on the coarser side. I feel like because it's pre-styled, they probably have applied, you know, certain little hair products to keep everything in place, but it's not like overly saturated with too much product though. But I feel like, yeah, it's definitely on the coarser side. Also, I'm getting shedding if you guys are wondering. But everything looks so good. This is the perfect classy 14-inch like curly bob look, because yes, it is 14 inches, and yeah, I made sure to put all the specifications down below in the description box, as I said before. I feel like I needed to do something, but literally there's nothing to do with this wig. Ashimary did that. They definitely did that. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend this wig because it's so convenient. Look how pretty it is. I linked it down below in my description box, so if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or for somebody else, I mean, the holidays is coming up, for literally anybody that just wants to have a more, you know, like a more done up vibe, but they don't know how to install a wig, or they just don't have the time to go to the salon, or they don't have the money, you know. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Literally, you could gift anybody this. Your mom, your aunt, your sis, your friend, your girlfriend, your wife. Listen, this wig is stunning, okay? And it's so full. You see that? You're not like, it's so classy. If you like today's wig look, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, share this video, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for more looks. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.